Okay, so today we're going to put a hand crank on my 1952 sewing machine, Singer sewing machine. So it is pretty easy. You have to have a spoked wheel. You cannot use the original wheel of the sewing machine. It has to be a spoked one. Now there is one video out there from somebody that was able to create he was able to modify his original one, so he made it work. But you have to have a spoked one, and you can find them on Amazon or any sewing machine parts store. You have to have the spokes, hand wheel, the actual hand crank, the boss screw, the clutch washer, and the clutch. Okay? As far as tools, you'll just need a screwdriver, a regular screwdriver, and then a Phillips screwdriver. I have this Allen wrench that somebody gave me, so I'm going to use this. Okay, for the ones that watched my previous video, I had taken off the bobbin winder. So that's the first step if your bobbin winder is off of your machine. You're going to place it right there, and then you're going to use your regular screwdriver and screw this screw right here. Okay, next we're going to take our spoked hand wheel and place it on the shaft like this. All right, just like that. Okay, next you're going to take your clutch washer, which is this, and you're going to put it on the shaft right here. You'll know when it's on. You want to make sure that these clips are facing outward. Okay? All right? And it will come off, it's not, you don't screw it on or anything. You just place it on there. All right? Okay, next you're going to take your clutch and put it on just like this. Oops. All right, so my clutch fell off, my washer, so give me 1 second. We'll put that back on. And then I'm going to screw this on, and then I'm going to screw this screw to tighten it. But don't tighten it really tight, just hand tight it, okay? Be right back. All right, let's see. All right. Okay, and then let's see, my screwdriver. There we go. Tighten that screw. Okay, so here's the next step. This is the longest part that it takes. Anyway, so see this flange on the top? It's an arm or whatever you want to call it. That is going to go into one of the spokes, the spoke holes, and you're going to align the hole on the bottom right there to the hole that's down here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can get a screw. Well, there's a hole down here, and so you're going to align the hole that's on this with that hole, okay? And you're going to use the boss screw to screw that in. So you could put it in there, just to get it in there. But like I said, you're going to put this part into one of the holes. Okay? All right, I just lost the screw. 1 moment. Okay, I'm going to see if I could do this. Now I got 2 hands, right? Okay. All right, so all right, we're going to put that in there just like that. And then we're going to, so it's in there. Whoa. Okay. All right. Okay, so see how I have my hand on the screw. There we go. And you want to make sure that it's still in one of the spoke holes. So I'm going to screw this screw on the bottom with my hand to get it started, and then I'm going to use the screwdriver to get it tightened. Now I know my hand's in the way, I'm sorry. Now for this bottom screw, I forgot to mention, you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver to do this particular screw. So let me see if I can do it without my hand. Oh, there we go. All right, so I don't know if you can see it. Okay, that's not working. So hold on one second. Okay, so I have it up, so I wanted to show you where it's at because I couldn't really show it. So you want it, secure. Okay, once you get this screw completely secure, then you're going to take this handle here and see how there is, hold on one second, let me move this here. All right, see how there's a little spring here? Or there's a screw that pulls out, okay? You're going to take that, pull it out a little bit, and you're going to put the handle in and, make sure that there's a little bit out. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. So if you want to take it out, you do that. But anyway. So, next. Now, if you don't know, I'm just saying, all hand wheels go towards you when you're, doing the machine, which means that when you do the hand crank, you're going to do it away from you. But when you do it, you're going to make the hand wheel go towards you like it's supposed to. So I don't have any thread in this machine and we're not going to sew. I'm just showing you about the hand crank. But when you do the hand crank, you literally just do it away from you. Just like that. So the hand wheel's going towards you, and you got to make sure that the finger is in there. Let's see. Yep, the finger's in there, because if the finger's not in there, it won't work. And you just turn it away from you, just like this. It sounds so good. The only thing I have to do left is to put thread in the bobbin shuttle. Oops, here, let me show you. There we go. And then we will, in the next video, we will sew with it. So I just wanted to show you, and thank you for watching.